All right, guys, so we're at the back of my 2015 Freightliner Coronado, and going to be replacing the airbag, suspension airbag. We're actually going to be doing two of them. One of them over there has a little fray in the bottom of the bag, and then this one, the pedestal is cracked, and I see this on the other side, so I don't want that to get much worse. So we got a brand new airbag here. So there's one bolt that connects up here, the other bolt is up here, and this is where your airline goes into. So we're gonna have to undo this bolt down here, right there, and then undo this this nut up here. So right now we're this airline didn't have much air into it, and then we got to disconnect this airline, basically pinched it off, and then to remove it, just put your go like this, push in on the tabs and then pull the line out. So basically just like so, push the line in and pull it out. There we go. And we'll undo this nut and the other nut and put the new one in place. And we also have to disconnect this as well. So it's going to unscrew this and then screw that into the new one's place. All right, so we got the nut and washer removed off the top, and then also got it removed off the bottom as well. They're right there. Now we can move this airbag out of the way and then put the new one in its place. There's the old one. Alright, so we got the new one into place, and then we'll put the line on there and air it up so we can put this stud through the hole up here, and yeah, well, then we'll be good. I guess I can just lower the air suspension as well. So I might just lower the air suspension, but first we're gonna clean this guy up, put some new Teflon around it, and then screw it back into here. So basically just got a wire brush. I'm just gonna clean off the threads of this, just, kind of do that all the way around, clean it all up. Now you put the new Teflon tape on it, and we should be good to go. Probably a little excessive to do this, but I like to make sure everything's good to go. And we got some new Teflon to basically put around the threads. So it should look like this, and then we'll go ahead and put this back into place, screw it in down here, get tightened up, and then we will put the airbag in place. There we go. So I hit the lower the airbag switch in the cab. You got to run, so I hurried and ran back here, got it lined up as it lowered, and then we'll put the bolts back in the top and the bottom, and then we'll hook up the airlines and then reinflate it and be good to go. Get this bottom one in. All right. So we'll tighten these up and then tighten this and then put the airbag back in its place, or I'm sorry, the airlines. We'll air it back up, make sure everything's good. All right, so we got the airlines plugged back in. We got this bolt over here and then the bolt on the bottom done, and that's it. Now all you gotta do is air the system up and you should be good. Just a quick how to replace your chassis airbag. All these years, believe it or not, this is the first one I've ever had to do, and it was a truck that I bought. So I've been pretty lucky with my own trucks that I've owned, but when I bought this one, that was cracked right there. So yeah, here's how you do it. Have a good one, and I'll see you guys on the next one.